Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, I/O board, system board, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the two 3.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display support bracket to the display enclosure. Lift the display support bracket off of its alignment pins and remove. Replacement. Place the display support bracket onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 3.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display support bracket to the display enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.